Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and I want to show you this beautiful tall vase. This is from AETVRNI, and I am in love with it because it matches my decor perfectly. In fact, I think it would match anybody's decor perfectly because they are elegant, sleek, and let me show you up close the texture. It is a brushed ceramic, so it has a really beautiful matte finish with texture, just perfect if you're into that earthy decor, and I am. So this is what a 20-inch vase looks like, and this right here is the 16-inch one. And you don't need to put anything in them. They are stunning on their own, but they are also perfect for seasonal decor, a single flower or feathers or any kind of tall grass. These are just beautiful. They also come in white. I can't decide which color I like best. And if you are thinking about giving one of these as a gift for a wedding, do it. They will be so happy with them, and they are a crowd pleaser. I've gotten nothing but compliments since I got them, but that's just my point of view.